You work in a serious sales career and you want to make $250,000, $500,000, or over $1 million a year this year, right here, right now. Hi, did we just become best friends? I think we might have. Click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. And if you work in a serious sales career and you need to make $250,000, $500,000, or over $1 million, click the link here. I will call you personally. I want to talk to you about Easton University. It's a simple, straightforward sales coaching program. I don't work with car salespeople, no offense. I don't work with door-to-door. I work with serious salespeople like you. You're going to get access to our learning portal. It's got you covered on everything from prospecting to closing to follow-up to building your personal brand and networking. Everything you need to double or triple your income is in there. And then I'm going to work with you twice a week in a live setting. You're going to be able to ask me any questions. I will go through any challenges that you are facing. I will be there with you every step of the way to make sure that you hit your income goals right here, right now. Click the link. If you're in a serious sales career and you want to take your income to the next level, click the link here. I will personally give you a call. I'll see you over at Easton University.